What's inside Tesla's new $1.9 billion Cybertruck factory? The Tesla Cybertruck, first announced in 2019, made quite the noise and surprised everyone with its futuristic design and unique features. A project of this size requires a lot of resources. So, let's take a look inside the $1.9 billion Cybertruck steel factory that'll just sweep you off your feet. The Cybertruck is the first fully electrical truck. According to Tesla, it can reach 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, which is high even in sports cars standards. It has 100 cubic feet of exterior storage and is made out of 100% stainless steel used in SpaceX's rocket ships. This steel will be cold rolled. Instead of heating it, more malleable steel is rolled in at room temperature, reducing the grain size and improving the strength of the metal. It is rumored that the Tesla steel will be supplied by a company called Steel Dynamics, based in Sinton, Texas, and only 167 miles away from the Cybertruck Gigafactory. The plant is estimated to cost $1.9 billion, and once it's fully completed, it will provide over 3,000 jobs to the local area. Now, take a look at this video. It'll simply blow your mind. Click right here.